Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, my keyboard is really dirty. And also, this thing looks like a keycap puller, right? Right. So let's see what we can do to make it exactly like a keycap puller. Let's just cut it. One cut. Two. Okay, now it almost looks like a keycap puller. But then we have to bend back the endings. They are also sharp. Let's bend them back so it can grab a hold of the keycap and pull it up. Like that. Yes. It has to be perpendicular perfectly. Yes. A bit more into the pliers, yes. So we can grip it. Yes. Let's bend. Whip. Okay. Now in the other direction. This is always the hardest part. To get it over 90 degrees. Then it's easier. It's not budging. Let's try this one. Maybe. Yeah, that kind of did it. So now I can just squeeze it like that. In theory. Oh yes. Awesome. That will grab a hold of the keycap. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Yes. Make it straight. Bend. Yes. Now get it over the 90 degree. Yes. And now just squeeze. Like that. Okay. It's not sharp anymore after manhandling it. So let's see. Push it in. And there you have it. A brand new keycap puller tool, practically for free. Well, the price of the champagne.